All right, today we're gonna bring a VEVOR 3-in-1. We got a rotary tool with the extender. We have a buffer, and we got actually a rock here. And this is actually to sand down or to sharpen devices. And we got shields or face shields, right? They give you an extra. It's like a sponge. This one, it is still like a. It's not a rock. It's more like a sandpaper on it. Different accessories for your rotary, instructions how to set this up, and not only that, I restarted one section. If you guys can see, this is a shield, face shield, so anything coming out of the rock, sparks or anything, won't come onto your face. I still suggest use glasses with it when you're using this device. So we're going to put it together and finish it and see how it works. All right, we set it up already. You have these some nut nuts that you can release so you can actually get closer to the rock or closer to the buffing station. Here it has the covers.
So today this is a grinder, and it has a buffing like this tool that is kind of old if you want to kind of buff it out. It just cleans it up really nice. Now we're gonna grind it a little bit, shave it. Alrighty, so we're good. And so the nice thing I bought this one is because we're here at my cabinet shop, but sometimes I'm out on site and I don't have enough time to go back to my shop. So this is a portable where I'm gonna take to the job site and sharpen my chisels. Now we're gonna show you, we're gonna cut this.